Wait!
Harriet, wait! Harriet, wait!
Oh no, Beth, oh, you fell down. Oh no. Oh, are you all right?
Oh, I hurt my knee. Look at my pants.
Oh, I'm sorry, Beth. Oh, here, why don't you sit down until your knee feels better? Let me just help you up here. There you go.
Barney, I think my happy day's turning into a sad day.
Oh, don't worry, Beth.
Hey! You did. Go away.
Sharptooth!
In this time of the clash of continents, a great earthquake split the land. Herds were divided. Families were cut in two. Littlefoot was separated from his grandparents. Sarah was on one side of the divide.